Hello, how are you today, my friend? I will show you house in Talisay, City Cebu. This is the living area. Beside the living area is the dining area, the wine bar. This is the kitchen, and this is the stairs going on the second and the third floor. Behind the one wine bar is the toilet and bath. Across the toilet and bath is the maid's room. At the back, there's a water tank and the dirty kitchen. On the second floor is the master's bedroom, and this is the toilet and bath. They provide king size bed. This is the wardrobe. This is the second bedroom on the second floor because there are like 3 bedrooms in the second floor. Each bedroom has its own wardrobe. This is the toilet and bath on the third floor. This is the third floor. We have already bed bunks. This is the rooftop. There's also a water tank on the third floor. You can see a mountain view and the roof from your neighbor. This is the passage of the house. 3-story house, 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath. Land area 180 square meter in a floor area of 140 square meter.